What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Keybeard here with you guys today with a very fun and special lock with you. Today we're going to be having fun with a Yale in Town Bicentric Padlock. Very cool stuff right here. As you can see, if you look really deep inside, there's two cores. And it does have two keys with it right here. So let's see here. They have different keyways on them. It's kind of hard to tell, but they're kind of like left and right. So this here is the master key, which does work sometimes. Well, it's supposed to work. Let me, if I smack it, haha, there it is. It works. Sometimes you got to give it some love. Here we have the change key, which also works beautifully. Nice brass shackle. And if you want to hear some more information about this type of lock, here you go. Created by Yale in the early 1900s, the bicentric cylinder, a pin tumbler cylinder with two plugs, which effectively make it two cylinders in one. The bicentric cylinder is recommended for large, multi-level master key systems where maximum security and expansion is required. Primarily used in institutional settings like university campuses, for example, this one that I have in my hand was made for Ohio State University. Ohio State University, or OSU as it says on the padlock, was founded in 1870 as the Ohio Agricultural and Mechanical College, not officially changing its name to OSU until 1878. Linus Yale Jr. has been coined the inventor of the modern pin tumbler lock. He has based his designs off principles used in ancient Egypt. He has now patented his lock design back in 1861. The Yale in Town Manufacturing Company was established in 1868 in Stamford, Connecticut by Linus Yale Jr. and Henry R. Town. Sadly, Linus Yale Jr. passed away December 1968, shortly before he made the company. He was 47 years old. All right, let's go ahead and start with the change side. We're going to go ahead and pick this side first. We're just going to pick it in hand. Go ahead and get that tension wrench in there, and let's see what we got here. Gonna click on 5. Couple clicks on 4. 5 again. Okay, clicks on 3. More click on 3. And that was 1. All right, we got the change side open. Now let's see if we can do the other side. So there are two different keyways, so this tension wrench doesn't quite fit in there as well as I would like. So we're going to go ahead and switch it over to this 4/1000. And, oh, maybe. Is that what I want? Yeah, that's not bad. I'm going to click on, good clicks on 3 there. 4, 5, 2, Might have overset something on this guy. There we go, I think. Couple of clicks there. Putting up a fight for a pretty old lock. Let's drop a few things. Maybe I overset something. Everything's feeling pretty tight. There it is. Master is open. All right. There it is, guys. This is my Yale in Town Bicentric Padlock. Very nice. It's a very good collector's. I don't have keys with it. Or the keys I don't think are original. But that's okay. Hey everybody, I'd like to thank you all for watching my channel. I really hope you do like it and subscribe it for me. I am trying to look to get to that 500 mark on my subscribers. If you want to help me out. When I do hit that 500 mark, I probably will do a fun little giveaway. But I gotta get there first, guys. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And happy picking, everybody.